appreciate you.
All right, Ms. Gia, we can do your face. Are you ready, Mr. Petway?
Yes.
Okay. This is the people versus Hussein Raeigen on ticket number P1260051. Count one, disregard signal red or amber. Count two, no proof of insurance. Count three, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jessica Shai, P number 81798 on behalf of Mr. Rashuni, and I do waive his presence, Your Honor.
All right, there is an offer of pleading to the civil infraction of count one. Does your client wish to avail himself to that offer, Ms. Shia?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you do stipulate to the face of the ticket,
I do, Your Honor.
and then you also stipulate the probable cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so count one is amended to blockading. There is a fine of $175, and he'll have 14 days to pay that. You believe you can do that in the 14 days, Ms. Shia?
Yes, Your Honor.
And then that would be May 26th. Anything further on behalf of your client?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you to you and your staff. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Glowkowski, good morning. Am I pronouncing it correctly?
Correct. Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, Ms. Cox, good morning. Would you like for me to swear you in before I start calling the case? Or usually what I do is I call the case, have everyone state their names for the record. And then when I get to you, after you state your name, then I swear you in. Are you okay with that? Or do you want me to?
Whichever, that's fine, Your Honor.
You know, the other day, someone was like, I was like, okay, you can start interpreting me calling the case. She's like, well, I was waiting for you to swear me in first. And I was like, oh, okay. All right, we can go on the record. This is the people versus, wait a minute. How do you pronounce your first name? Is it Griselin?
¿Cómo pronuncia su primer nombre, señora? Griselin.
It is Griselin, thank you, okay. All right, this is the people versus Griselin Ramos Lopez on ticket number SP12764-291. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. We're also here on ticket number SP12764-251. Count one, stop, street, or intersection failed to stop. Good morning. Please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Glowkowski.
Glowkowski.
Llamaron a su caso, señora Griselin, y dieron los números y pidieron que se presentaran los abogados.
Rachel Glowkowski, P74194.
Y la abogada dio su nombre y su número de su licencia.
Record, please.
Your Honor, you cut out. I couldn't hear what.
I'll repeat it. Ms. Ramos Lopez, can you say your name for the record, please?
Señora Ramos López, ¿usted puede decir su nombre para las actas?
Griselin Maricet Ramos López.
Cox, can you say your name for the record?
Maria Cox, COX.
Ms. Cox, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability?
I do.
You can put your hand down. Ms. Wilkowski, there is an offer. Does your client wish to avail herself to that offer?
Yes,
Señora
please.
Glakowski, hay una oferta y su cliente quiere aceptar la oferta.
I apologize. Yes, yes, please, Your Honor.
Sí, por favor, su honoría.
Okay, and I believe this is a civil infraction. So do you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
Yes,
Entonces
please.
yo creo que esta es una infracción civil. Entonces usted acepta que los hechos están correctos.
I do, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sí, sí lo hago. Gracias, su honoría.
All right, and you also stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining count to be dismissed?
Y usted también acepta que los cargos o los otros van a ser anulados.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sí, su honoría.
Okay, so the court will amend the original charge for ticket ending in 425 to blockading.
Entonces la corte va a rebajar los cargos del tiquete que termina en 429 a un cargo menor de bloquear o impedir el tráfico.
And the court will dismiss the other ticket ending in 429 without prejudice.
Y la corte va a anular o a quitar el otro cargo que termina en 429 sin perjuicio.
And there is a fine, Ms. Ramos Lopez, of $175. That's due in 14 days, which would be May 26, 2022.
Entonces, señora Ramos López, hay una multa de $175, a lo cual tiene un plazo de 14 días para pagarlos. Sería no a más tardar del 26 de mayo de 2022.
Do you have any questions?
¿Tiene alguna pregunta?
Está bien.
That is fine.
I apologize, Your Honor. I have one quick question. On the Register of Actions, there is, for some reason, a show cause hearing. She hasn't missed any hearing. I think it might be an error. Could we possibly get that corrected?
Tengo una pregunta, su honoría, en donde está el registro de los cargos. Dice que esta audiencia es para probar las causas y ella, mi clienta, no ha fallado a ninguno de sus audiencias. Entonces, ¿podríamos cambiar eso?
Yes, Ms. Wilkowski, it will be corrected today.
I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Sí, señora Glakowski, lo vamos a corregir hoy. Muchas gracias.
All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set. Good luck to you.
Entonces, si no hay más nada, ya terminamos. Buena suerte.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Ms. Interpreter. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Cox.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day, everyone.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay. I have some questions here.
Ms. Barrett?
Yes,
I have probation officer here on Monique.
okay.
Did you guys
Maybe,
wanna go
well,
on break
no,
our room?
what I was going to say to the judge, so maybe we can move some of these people. In breakout room 1, that person's ready to go. Do you pull them out one by one?
Well, we have to open court first.
Okay, well, this is what's going on. Okay. In breakout room 1, that person should, hold on. Some of these people, I need to talk to you. Okay, well, let me do it like this before I get started. Okay, this is for the clerk, Lewis.
Yeah.
On Kyle Daniel, he has 4 counts, but only 1 is addressed by the city attorney. And she told me to ask you if she had marked on his file that the other 3 are state.
Yes, he has, just to make sure. What's the one that's on the docket?
Well, it's 4 on the docket, but she only addressed 1, and she says if the other 3 are state, she put a sticky on the file.
Yeah, well, he does have an SP ticket, SP case ending in 137, counts 1, 2, and 3. They're all state matters.
Okay.
Registered.
So then she said, can you reach out to Paula Cole or no? We just need to reset it.
Well, I can reach out to her.
Okay, so then he still needs an offer on those 3 counts. Then you said
On the other matters of silver and fracs, I'm looking for the one that's on the docket. Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah,
Well,
he has 3 silver fractions.
okay, well, I just have the 4 misdemeanors.
Okay.
Okay. Then we could go ahead and do the probation one. Monique Reynolds, she's in room 5 because you said the probation officer is here.
Right.
And then room 6 is ready, Jerry Robinson. Room 7 is ready, Brandon Rogers. Chiquita died, didn't answer. I think all of those people are at least ready so we could do them.
What about Johnny Robinson? Did you speak with Johnny Robinson?
Hold on one second.
Never mind. I think it's right.
Okay. Those people are ready. The other people, I guess I can go back to because they didn't answer, but those are the ones that we can at least do now.
Okay, so Mr. Petway, I'm gonna bring those people out and we can open court. Is that okay with you?
Yes, yes, it is. But I would suggest, like, before I put them in breakout room tomorrow, when I have everybody out, we just open court then. And that way everybody can.
You wanna wait till everybody's done?
No, like in the morning, before I put them in the breakout room, when I bring them all out of the waiting room and then start putting them in breakout room, we can open court then, since everybody will be on the screen and everything.
Oh, and the other person that's ready is Tierra Davis. She's also ready.
Yeah, whatever you prefer, Mr. Petway.
Okay.
So are you just gonna pull those people out? Did I just say it?
Okay.
Because the other ones are not done yet. The ones, Chiquita in room 8 is not done. Mr. Daniel in room 9 is not done.
Okay, Miss Garrett, just give me the name of who you want to bring out, starting with number 1, and I'll bring them out.
Tierra Davis.
Okay.
Hold on one second. Monique Reynolds,
Hold on, let me get Reynolds. Reynolds.
J-
Okay, Reynolds, Monique
Jerry Robinson,
Robinson, okay.
Brandon Rogers.
Okay,
Those would be that would be it. The other people I'm still working
I
on.
thought you said Kyle Daniel. Oh, we're still waiting on Ms. Cole. Never mind.
We're waiting on Kyle Daniels and Chiquita died. Those two not ready.
and one more coming up.
We got Monique.
Okay. Okay, 36 District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no talking, reading, eating, sleeping. Jerry Robinson, you have to mute your device. There's no talking, eating, reading, sleeping, communicating with your coworkers, laying in bed, or doing anything that would disrespect the court. When your name is called, unmute your device and engage your video. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor. Oh, good morning. Okay, we can start with Jerry Robinson. This is the people versus Jerry Robinson. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, well, I'm calling your case, Mr. Robinson. This is ticket number
Yes, ma'am.
P72. Okay, just hold on, sir. This is ticket number P720292, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Judge. Melita Baird on behalf of Jerry Robinson. Mr. Robinson, tell the judge your name.
My name is Mr. Robinson, Jerry Robinson.
Judge, there was a recommendation for dismissal for him. We asked that the court adopt that recommendation.
Okay, the court will dismiss without prejudice. Did you have any questions, Mr. Robinson?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, sir. Thank you. Okay, you can hang up, Mr. Robinson.
Yes.
I'll remove.
We can do Monique Reynolds. Ms. Reynolds, can you appear on your video and unmute yourself? This is the people versus Monique Reynolds on ticket number Z8081131. And we're here for a review. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Monique Reynolds. Ms. Reynolds, tell the judge your name.
Monique Reynolds.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shantia Tucker on behalf of probation.
Ms. Reynolds, did you hear that?
Say that again.
Voice is up.
Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning, Your Honor. Shantia Tucker on behalf of probation.
Okay. Did you hear your probation officer is here, Ms. Reynolds?
Yes.
Okay. All right, we are here for a review. Ms. Tucker, did you want to address the court?
Yes, Your Honor. The defendant was placed on a 9-month probation term on August 12th of 2021. Today would have been her discharge date. However, I did request a violation due to the last judge stated that any more missed screens that Ms. Reynolds would be violated. She did miss drug screens on March 24th, 2022. I'm sorry, starting with September 2nd, 2021, September 15th of 2021, October 18th of 2021, and December 13th, at the review hearing is when the judge addressed that if she did any miscreant that she was violated. So her last miscreant was on March 24th. So that's why we're here. And I'm recommending her probation be extended 3 months and as she continues to test.
Ms. Barrett?
Well, Miss Reynolds, did you hear? You got to go 3 more months because you didn't do the drug screens.
I only missed 2. I did one in September. She got 2 dates for September. I only do it once a month.
Well, you have to take them on, ma'am.
Okay, whatever.
So the court is going to continue the probation for additional 3 more months, which
Yes.
will be on August 11th. August 11th at 8:30. Did you have any questions, Ms. Reynolds?
I have no questions.
Okay, well, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Ms.
That's the
Reynolds.
most stupidest shit I ever.
Oh, you can.
No.
Good morning.
Morning, Ms. Upshaw. Are you ready on your client?
Yes, Sean, we're just going to set a trial date so that the trooper could be in on negotiations.
And that's Mr. Jerry Robinson, right?
Yeah, it's Johnny Robinson.
Johnny Robinson, okay, I'll bring him out.
So June 9th at 9 o'clock, is that okay, Mr. Upshaw?
Mr. Upshaw, unmute your device.
June 9th at 9 o'clock. Could we make it 10 o'clock, Your Honor? I'll tell you what, I'll just come there first, 9 o'clock. Yes, that's fine.
But, okay, 9 is fine. All right.
Is that on Zoom, Judge?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. It's wonderful seeing you.
No, we're not done. We got to go on the record. I was just making sure the date was good.
Okay.
Okay, let's go to the record. This is the People versus Johnny Robinson on case number C8085891. Count 1, operating while intoxicated. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Upshaw.
Randall Upshaw on behalf of Mr. Robinson, P number 43574.
Mr. Robinson, state your name.
Johnny Robinson.
Okay, it's my understanding that Mr. Robinson, you are requesting a bench trial.
Correct.
Okay, you can raise your right hand.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, you put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to the jury trial?
No, Your Honor.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the finder of fact?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so the court is gonna set a bench trial date of June 9th, and we're okay with 9 o'clock, Mr. Upshaw?
Yes, we are, Your Honor.
So June 9th at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions, Mr. Robinson?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, sir.
Have a good day.
All right. Thank you.
Cornell,
Yes.
Tara Davis is locked out. She got
Okay.
disconnected now.
Okay.
I'm all set, sir.
Hey, boss.
Okay, iPhone caller, the
I'm
one,
Brandon Rogers. I had made a mistake and left room 7.
Oh, he's ready.
Brandon Rogers.
Robinson, did you have to pay a bond? He left. Never mind.
And the other iPhone caller, what is your name?
Ronell Robinson.
Okay, he just got here.
Yeah, I haven't spoken to him. You could probably, I guess, put him in a breakout room so I
Yeah.
can talk.
What's his name?
Rodney,
Ronell Robinson,
Yes,
why are you just now showing up? Your case was scheduled for 8:35. It's
I'm sorry.
9:20.
I thought it was 9:30. I'm sorry.
You gotta make sure you're clear on the time and that you show up timely. You're like over an hour late, sir.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, we'll put you in a breakout room.
okay, I'm Mr. Robinson. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 1.
Okay. Okay.
Is you ready on Mr. Rogers, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
You go. You go.
Can I rename Miss Tierra? I think that was her name, Tierra something. I'll get it.
Here, Davis.
Okay.
Okay, I think that's okay.
Are you ready to go, Miss Davis?
Yes, Tara Davis, yes.
All right, so we'll do Ms. Davis. This is the People versus Tierra Davis on ticket number P11688410. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, drive unregistered or entitled vehicle. And count 3, fail to display valid operator license found on person. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Barrett on behalf of Tierra Davis. Judge, Ms. Davis wants to waive her rights and plead guilty to that offer of improper plates.
Ms. Davis, can you state your name for the record?
Tierra Davis.
Did you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, Ms. Davis, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barrett today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No. You're
pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to direct your attention to the date of February 23rd, 2021 at approximately 1:41 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Wyoming and Clarita, city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2013 Dodge?
Yes.
Was the vehicle unregistered or untitled?
Yes.
And Ms. Bear, you're satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes.
The court is also satisfied with the factual basis. Will amend the count 2 charge to improper place. Ms. Bear, you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
Yes, so stipulated.
And the court will dismiss the counts 1 and 3 without prejudice and will proceed to sentencing. Ms. Davis, are you working?
No, I collect disability.
So you're on a fixed income?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you pay a bond?
No, I didn't go to jail, ma'am.
All right, so I'm going to. Okay, so I'll make the payment $100 because you are on a fixed income. How much time do you think you'll need to pay that?
Well, I get it paid every first of the month. Can I pay it by the first?
So I'll give you till June 16th to pay it. That's 30 days. You can pay it in 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
How much do I have to pay? $100?
Can you pay $100 in 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can do community service.
I'm disabled, ma'am. I could pay the $100 in 30 days.
Okay, so it'll be due by June 16th. Did you have any
Okay.
questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Good luck.
Thank you.
All right, we're still, let me, you gotta. One second.
The old 240.
All right, Mr. Rogers, you can unmute yourself. This is the people versus Brandon Rogers on ticket number SP 1175790. Count one, failed to display a valid operator's license, not a person. Good morning, please state your name for the record.
Good
Brandon
morning.
Rogers.
Okay, police on behalf of Brandon Rogers, Judge, just a review. He owes about $300 and he needs 30 days so he can pay that pay the $300.
Okay, it looks like it's $240, but how much, you said how much more time does he need?
30 days.
Okay, so we can do June 16th. Anything further?
No, that's it. You hear that, Mr. Rogers?
Yes.
So June 16th.
Okay.
All right, you're all set, Mr. Rogers.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, so you put Ronell Robinson in 1, and then I have Chiquita Dye in 8. Those are the last 2, correct? Louis, did we get an offer for Mr. Kyle Daniel?
For Mr. Who now?
I don't know. She has.
Kyle Daniel?
You got that file right there. Yeah. Yeah, we got an offer. Well, no, I'm waiting on state. But you don't have an offer on Diggs, do you?
No, I don't have Diggs on my list. Who I have left is Chiquita Dye and Ronell Robinson, and I don't have an offer on Ronell Robinson either.
And Madam Defense, you have a Ravon Diggs, and he said he have upcoming court dates with us, and he wanted to get all his matters taken care of today.
What's his name?
Ravon, REDAUGHN, last name Diggs, DIGGS.
Well, then I guess the first question is the court gonna let him do all his matters today? Judge?
For which case?
Diggs?
All right, on Diggs, case ending in, what is it, 2211, failed to display. And the other case ending in 241, improper plates. All of the matters dismissed.
So wait a minute, he's gonna be pleading to improper plates and failure to display?
That's correct.
Okay, now what he says, he said he has other court dates. So how do you want to handle? I mean, that's up to the judge. You're gonna deal with his other stuff or just deal with what he has up today?
Well, I don't know what he has. Well, I'll tell you what, I'll look it up and then we'll see. Or do you know what those other case numbers are?
He
You-
did,
This is based on what's on the docket today.
Right.
he did not know that the other case numbers. He felt he had other court dates pending that he wasn't sure about. And he wanted to know if he can handle his matters, if he in fact do have the, other cases pending. That the court dates pending, put it that way.
Oh, he's in room 3, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so I have him in room 3. I guess, so are you gonna look into it, Louis, or he just gonna, I mean, I don't know how.
I'll check it out while you deal with the other ones.
Okay, and Ronell Robinson, I didn't get an offer on him.
Danielle Robinson,
Yes.
did you want to help that different?
No, it's fine. I was just asking about Kyle Daniel. You have an offer for the city or the city civil infraction, correct? But not for the state cases.
Right.
We can
And you
we can dismiss the state cases and we'll deal with the civil infraction.
Okay, so then he would be ready to go. Kyle Daniel.
We can do his.
Okay, he's in room 9, I think.
I'll bring him out.
Okay.
You said you need an offer on Ronell?
Yes, I don't have it because I don't have an offer on him. Hold on.
Ronell is on the Z ticket is as charged.
Oh, but he's probably gonna have to get a new ticket, a new date.
And then the other matters were being dismissed.
Okay, well, I have to talk to him. And then the other person was Chiquita Dye. I didn't see an offer for her either.
Chiquita Dye.
Yes.
That's a review.
Okay. Which I'm not ready on her because when I went in there, she wasn't answering. So I guess we'll just do this guy here.
Here, let's do Kyle Daniel.
Okay.
I brought him out. Let me see what he's doing.
So Ms. Barry, you may have to go in there and go get him.
Okay, hold on. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, because I've been bringing him to the main session.
Did he come out?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, there we go.
Hello?
There he is.
This is Kyle Daniel on ticket number 407022, count 1, no valid driver's license. And ticket number P1017137, count 1, improper plates, count 2, unregistered or entitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Bear on behalf of Kyle Daniel.
Say your name, Mr. Daniel.
Good morning, Kyle Daniel.
Just, he wants to accept the plea offer that was made to him.
Could you have Mr. Daniels turn off his TV, please?
Yes. Hello?
All right, Mr. Daniel, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. Has anyone, you've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Barrett in private today about your case and your rights?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of May 4th, 2020, at approximately 11:50 a.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Dexter and Shelfine in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And were you driving a 2016 Ford?
Yes.
And did you not have a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Ms. Bear, you're satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes.
And you stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
Okay, so the court will amend the ticket number ending in 022 to fail to display, will dismiss the remaining counts without prejudice. There is going to be a fine. Mr. Daniel, are you working, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so it's gonna cost $200,000.
It's gonna, I beg your pardon?
I'm sorry?
I couldn't hear you.
It's $200. How much time do you think you'll need to pay that?
I'll pay it today. I get paid today.
You don't have to pay it today. I mean, you can, but I don't even know if it'll be in the computer. So how about I give you at least 30 days? So just have it paid by June 16th, okay?
Yes. Thank you.
Any questions, sir? Any questions, Mr. Daniel?
No.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Okay, so I just have Renell Robinson and Chiquita Dye left, correct?
Yes, Robinson and dead. Well, it still got dead.
Hold on one second. Okay. Diggs is in, which room is Diggs in?
He,
3.
he breakout room number 3.
Okay, let me go talk to these other people. Louis, on Mr. Diggs, he said he had another ticket up for June 23rd. Did you find that? Can you hear me?
Yes, he had a ticket on June.
I'm sorry, say it again.
She said,
For Mr. Diggs, we were looking to see about his other ticket. When I talked to him, he said his next court date on the ticket he had yesterday was June 23rd.
Did you get a case number? I'm sorry, because I got so busy and it's kind of slipped me my mind. Did you get a case number on that? Well, I'll just run it again. I'll run it now.
Okay.
Yeah. You to that young man, call back about 12 o'clock. I'll check.
Hello? Good. Can you give us a call back around 12? We're still on Zoom. So clerk will help you. So we'll be off Zoom. 12 o'clock. Okay.
You know, Dean was here yesterday.
Okie dokie. So Miss Chiquita Dye hasn't been answering me. She's still not answering me. So I don't have an answer for her. Mr. Ronell Robinson, he wants to request a court-appointed attorney. I think those were the last two.
Let's bring Ms. Dye out. Probably doesn't know how to. Ms. Dye, do you know how to unmute yourself? It's *6. Ms. Dye? Who is it? What's the court-appointed attorney? Mr. Robinson?
Yes. Ronell Robinson. Yes, he's in room 1.
What about Diggs? Are you ready on that one?
On Diggs, he has a U ticket that was scheduled for a forming hearing on June the 29th. However, that's an error because he already pled on that matter. And he was supposed to do 8 hours of community service, and it was a 3-month delayed sentence. And that took place back in September the 1st, 2020.
Okay, so
that date. Go ahead.
if that's all he has left, then he will be ready too.
Yeah.
Did you?
And the other matter is on the docket for the day, the case ending in 241. It had a June 29th date out there, but it's on the docket for the day.
Okay, so is he in the courtroom now? Did he hear that or no? Okay. Okay, well then
he hasn't pled guilty on that one, that 241, but it's on the recommendation.
Right. So then that would take care of everything. So he's ready too.
Yeah.
So I guess he needs to be told that about that case. He's on probation because he thinks there's something else going on.
Cheetah, Miss Cheetah died. You have
Yes.
that one, right? Okay, that
Uh,
one. Oh, she not
That-
responding?
No,
She's
she's
gone?
not. And it was set for review, so I don't know what she was supposed to do or
Yeah,
didn't do.
okay. It looks like it's a matter that should have been closed out,
Let's
so.
just close it out and
Okay.
so we'll go on the record on that.
Find some costs were waived, and I don't know why they kept setting it for.
Yeah, we'll just close it out. All right.
Other three matters were paid, so.
Okay, let's move on the record for Chiquita Dye. This is ticket number, this is the People versus Chiquita Dye on ticket number P11433363. Count one, driver's license expired. This is set for review. Good morning. Please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Chiquita Dye.
Okay, it's not really clear. This has been set for a number of reviews. I know fines and costs were waived. I'm not exactly sure exactly what Ms. Dye was required to do, but at this point, the court is inclined to close this matter out. Was there anything further, Ms. Barrett, on behalf of your client?
No.
Okay, so Dye, I'm going to.
Yeah, just close it out.
Now, Robinson, Mr. Robinson, you want court appointed counsel?
Yes.
Okay, so well, you're gonna retain your own attorney, Mr. Robinson?
I could do that too.
Well, what?
Well, Judge, he would, I don't know if he qualifies, but he was trying to see if he qualified for that court appointed attorney.
Right, he can't make that decision. The attorney for today is Ms. Barrett. So Ms. Barrett is a lawyer.
Judge, he wants to set it for trial. And for some people qualify, but I don't know. I guess they have to go to Ruth Carter to find out or whatever.
Yes. Okay, so what we'll do is set it for a trial and then he can figure that out. So let's go on the record. This is the People versus Renell Robinson on case number 2808277. Count one, operating while intoxicated. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Renell Robinson. Judge, he's asking to continue his not guilty plea. He's also wanting to request a court appointed attorney.
I failed to read off the rest of his cases. Let me. Give me 1 second. We're also here on ticket number SP116375. Count one, drive while license suspended. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor. And we're here on ticket number SP11652941. Count one, license, improper license. Mr. Robinson, say your name for the record.
Darnell Robinson.
Okay, so is my understanding you wish to set this for trial? For bench trial?
Excuse me?
You want to set this for a bench trial?
Yes.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, put your hand down. You understand that you are waiving your right to a jury trial? You put your hand down.
Yes.
And has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
Okay, so your bench trial date is going to be set on June 9th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so you're all set, sir.
Can I intervene real quick, Judge? Mr. Robinson, don't leave. This is the city attorney, Tamika Horn. And so Ms. Barrett, I believe that you would have, can you go into a breakout room to ask him certain questions? Have you ever done the appointment process for indigent defendants?
No.
Yeah, but I don't have that form. No, not you.
I have it here. I have it here. And I just gave it to the Sir Clerk. Did you want to go through that with him in the breakout room?
Okay, so how do they do it? Do I go through it and then send it back, or?
I believe so. I've only seen it a couple of times, but enough to know that usually the council goes into the breakout room and he has the form. Let's see, can I see it? Sir Clerk. Okay, she's sending it over. He's sending it over to you now. And it just has some questions, and then you submit it back to the court. And I believe the court submits that to administration, but I definitely will help with the process because I think this is the first time we've done it on, without doing it before, so.
Okay, so you're gonna, you're gonna email it to me, so then, Mr. Robinson, you're gonna put him in another breakout room so I can go talk to him?
If we can do that. And Sir Court Reporter, do you recall this process or no?
Yes, I do. I don't remember the wording though.
Okay. So Sir Clerk just is sending that over to you via email.
Done.
And he said it's done.
Okay, so, well, wait a minute, Judge, have we done all the cases? And this is just like.
We haven't done dead. We finished with Robinson. I'm about to put him back in the breakout room. And then we have dead.
Well, Judge, you want to do digs before I start this other application?
Yeah, just put him in the breakout room and then he can just wait, but Mr. Robinson had one more ticket. I don't know if this was addressed. There's civil infractions in this one.
May I approach your honor?
Yeah.
Mr. Robinson, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 4.
Hold on, Mr. Petway, because I just found another ticket for Mr. Robinson.
No.
They might be closed. Let's, okay. Sir Clerk, can you check and see if they're closed or open? There's civil infractions, got a speeding and a no proof. Oh, Judge, this is the form. Future. Okay. But that's the form she would go through. She's not sure. Oh. To get you started. I'll make some kind of for the courtroom.
Both of them in default.
Oh, okay. So you also have another ticket, Mr. Robinson, that is in default. So you need to pay that, but we're gonna put you in a breakout room and then Ms. Bear will eventually come and speak with you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you, Ms.
Okay.
And Ms. Barrett, I'm still on Zoom, so I'll still be available. I'm just going back to the office.
Okay, well, we just gotta do, okay, that's fine. Yeah, let me get finished with this case, I think.
Okay, talk to you soon.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Mr. Robinson, if you see join, you can click on join. Go to room number 4.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Okay, let me move you.
Okay, are we ready on Raeigen Diggs?
Yes.
This is the People versus Raeigen Diggs. Ticket number U33768716, count 1, enter or remain on private property when closed. Ticket number SP1044221, count 1, no operator's license on person. Ticket number SP1066607, count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And then ticket number SP 10898824, count one, failed to display a valid operator's license. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Barrett.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Ravon Diggs. Judge wants to waive his rights and plead guilty to the offer that was made.
Okay. All right, Mr. Give me 1 second. Okay.
This is the one that we had. That's a fair, we already did. It's 60. We kind of highlight. So if you.
Okay. All right. Okay, so, just, you were wondering about this other ticket that you had, Mr. Diggs, that was kind of out there. You owe $60 on that one.
I don't know why that happened. Can you hear me?
No, I can hear you.
Okay, it threw me in breakout room 8 for some reason.
I don't know what happened. I'll put it back in there. I'll bring it back out.
What breakout room did you put Ronell Robbins?
He's in 4.
Okay.
All right, so it looks like for this one ticket, there was community service and then you owe $60. Are you familiar with that, Mr. Diggs?
Yes, ma'am. I was familiar with it, but I didn't, it was around the pandemic and I didn't know where to report to for my community service.
Okay, so here, when we're done, I'm gonna give you a phone number to call, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right, so you do wish to avail yourself to the offer?
What'd you say, ma'am? Sorry.
There's an offer that the city attorney has made. It's my understanding you wish to take advantage of that offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, raise your right hand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because we almost done, I'm gonna let you get away with this, but next time you wear a real shirt. Don't wear no undershirt coming to court. You understand that?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Okay, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Baird today in person about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your plea today?
No, ma'am.
Hold on, Mr. Diggs, the city attorney wants to.
Yes, ma'am.
So while you waiting, why don't you go put on a real shirt?
Sorry. Yeah, I was just about to ask you, can I do that?
Yeah, go do that.
Will my coat be okay, Judge?
Mr. Diaz, could you turn on your TV, please?
Turn it off. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna give you a phone number. You got a pen and paper?
Oh, no, ma'am. Oh, nope, I do not. Hold on. I got another phone now. I'm ready, ma'am. Sorry.
All right, so I'm gonna give you the number to Ms. Green, because I'm gonna give you a little bit of time to get this completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Her number is 313-965-8130.
Yes. Yes. I got,
So you got it, 965-8130,
yes, ma'am.
and her name is Miss Green. That's who you call to get your community service set
Miss
up.
Green.
And then you still also have a fee of $60 that's going to be due, and this is on this U ticket.
Okay.
And I'll give you another 3 months.
Okay. That's $60. Can I can come pay it next week, right? No problem. No problem. Can I pay it next week?
You can pay it online, you can pay it over the phone, or you can come down and pay it. If you want to pay it over the phone, you want that phone number too?
Yes, ma'am, please. 'Cause that won't be.
It's 855-798-1540. I'm sorry, 1547.
Sorry, you said 855?
798-1547.
Yes. Okay, I got it.
And then we still have to do the other matters. Here's Ms. Horn.
Thank you.
The review date is going to be August 11th.
August 11th. Okay. August 11th. Sorry, Judge. I was just putting it in my calendar. Sorry. Okay, I got you.
You need to see the file for Diggs or.
I don't think so. Did I need, is he done?
No, I thought we stopped because I thought you wanted.
Oh, no, it was Robinson. Is he gone?
No, not yet. Okay.
That's who it was.
All right, let's go back.
I'm sorry, Judge.
That's okay. So let's go back. We're back on the record for Diggs. I forgot where I left off as to your advice of rights.
No, you were just saying, did he understand his rights? Was he forced or coerced? And then you stopped.
Thank you, Mr. Petway. So you're pleading guilty, Mr. Diggs, because you're actually guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your voice up, knowing that you're waiving your right to trial. You still wish to continue with this guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of February 13, 2020 at approximately 2:43 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Whittier and King Richard in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving a 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you not have an operator's license on your person?
No, ma'am.
All right, I'm also gonna direct your attention to the date of June 9, 2020 at approximately 12:31 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Berkshire Street, Beaconsfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
You still driving that 2005 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you fail to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you satisfied the factual basis, Ms. Barrett?
Yes.
All right, I'm also satisfied the factual basis. Will amend the charges that he just made admissions to fail to display an improper place. Ms. Barrett, you'll stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
And the court will dismiss the remaining counts without prejudice. Mr. Diggs,
Yes, ma'am.
since you already got to do community service, I can order additional community service in lieu of your fines, or would you rather me give you a fine?
Judge, I'll pay the fine, to be honest. It's not a problem.
Okay, so it's gonna be $200. How much time you need to pay that?
Let me see. It's May 12th. I get my
How
check.
about July
Can I pay?
14th? How about July 14th?
Yes, ma'am. That's cool. That's good.
So on one of the tickets you made admissions to, it's gonna be a $200 fine. I'll waive the other fines for the other tickets. Okay?
Okay.
Any questions?
Yes, Judge. If I have the money, if I come up with the money to pay it before July 3rd, 14th, right?
Definitely pay it before then. You can call the number that I gave you to pay it over the phone, or you can do it online, or there's kiosks around the city where you can pay it.
Okay, that's what I was asking. Okay, that's no problem.
Any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
Okay, you're all set.
Thank you. Just leave or? Um,
So, is, Mr. Robinson is break our room.
Thank you, Judge. So I went, and got some, more information, because the form that we sent, Dawn actually informed me that we shouldn't be using that form. So it's a scale form, and I just, I believe Clerk Clerk sent it over to Ms. Beard, the correct form, and the
Oh,
process form.
So the form that I have is not the right form?
Don't use that one. Use the new scale one that you might have in your inbox now, the new email.
Okay, hold on, let me look for it. Give me a second. Okay.
And it's my understanding, Your Honor, that you make the determination as to his indigency, and then the copy of the file and the ticket go to Ruth Carter. She's the MIDC person.
Let's bring her up.
Yep.
Oh, okay, this form. So wait a
Right,
minute.
scale.
So what, am I supposed to fill this out or what?
You know, now that's where I'm lost at. Because normally, yeah, the attorney will go over that form with the defendant, but then you push that form back to the court. And the judge makes a determination, I believe, based on the information that is submitted from that form as to whether Mr. Robinson is indigent, and then the judge will decide whether to forward it on to Ruth Carter. That's my understanding of how it works.
So just gonna get a copy of the form.
Do I go in there and fill this out first then?
Yeah, go in and interview him with,
Okay.
you know, to fill in the information, and then you would send that back to the court for the judge to review. And then
Okay.
the judge will determine whether he's eligible for court-appointed attorney based on his indigency.
Well, even, I mean, can we just all do it when you all here? Can we just?
I
do
think
it?
so.
Okay, so I'm bringing them out to break our room. We can just all do it together.
Okay.
Oh, fine with me. So since we're gonna all do it together, you gonna fill it out on your end?
Yeah.
Should we stay on live or take a quick break? We might have some privacy stuff in there, I'm not sure.